Welcome to class. In today's class, I'm going to be showing you how to find the missing interior and exterior angles of a triangle using this diagram on the board. Okay, as you can see, we have two unknown angles, and this one here, the A here is the interior angle, and the B here is the exterior because it's outside this triangle. Now, there are different ways you can solve this question. There are different ways you can find the missing angles. You can decide to find A before B, and you can also decide to find B before A. But I'm going to be finding the exterior angle, that is B, first, using the theorem that states that the sum of two interior opposite angles, the sum, that is 64 degrees plus 45 degrees, equals to what? An exterior angle, which is the B. Are we following? Fantastic. So that means the sum of two interior opposite angles, we always give you what? An exterior angle. And this other A is the adjacent angle to B. Okay, so I'm going to be finding B first, which is 64 degrees plus 45 degrees. That will give me what? 109 degrees. That is B equals what? 109 degrees. Are we following? Good. So if this is 109 degrees, okay, so how am I going to find A? How am I going to find angle A? Very simple. As you can see, angle A and angle B are resting on a straight line. And we're meant to understand that sum of angles on the straight line is what? 180 degrees. So if that be the case, that is A plus B, that is angle A plus B equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so that means I have my B already. So I can say A plus 109 degrees equals what? 180 degrees. I hope you are still following. So I can therefore say A equals what? 180 degrees minus 109 what? Degrees. Okay, so A equals 180 degrees minus 109 degrees will give us what? I'm sure you can guess the answer, and that is what? 71 what? Degrees. And that's the value of my A, 71 degrees. And now, one more thing we're going to do before we leave, ensure you add up all the three angles inside this triangle. Okay, ensure you always add up the three angles inside the triangle to be sure that yes, the sum is 180 degrees. So if I add up this now, 45 plus 64 degrees will give me what? 109 degrees plus 71, that will give me 180 degrees. Also, add up A and B together. 71 plus 109 degrees will give me 180 degrees because these two angles are resting on a straight line. I'm sure you've learned something in today's class, and I can't wait to see you in my next class. And until then, bye.